Ever feel like something's holding you back, but you can't quite put your finger on it? Like there's an invisible force sabotaging your dreams? Here's the truth. Your beliefs are running your life. And most people never realize it. But what if you could rewrite those beliefs? What if you could turn "I'm not good enough" into "I'm capable of anything"? Today, you'll learn how to reframe limiting beliefs and unlock the life you deserve. Your mind is like an operating system, and your beliefs, they're the hidden code controlling everything. The way you see yourself, your potential, even your worth, it's all shaped by beliefs you picked up over time. Think about it. If you believe "I'll never be good with money," guess what? You won't even try. If you think success is for others, not me, you'll self-sabotage without realizing it. But here's the good news. You can reprogram them. And it starts with reframing. Reframing isn't about lying to yourself, it's about changing the lens you view your life through. See the difference? Same situation, new perspective. One keeps you stuck, the other sets you free. Your brain loves familiar stories, even if they hurt you. Reframing rewrites those stories. These feel like facts, but they're just old labels you've accepted. Time to peel them off. I'm not smart enough. I'm not a money person. I am constantly growing and learning. I am becoming financially confident, one step at a time. Your brain tricks you into thinking your skills are fixed. But here's the truth. You can learn anything. I don't know this yet. Every expert was once a beginner. Let me stop you right there. Abundance isn't a pie. Your success doesn't take slices from others. My success creates more opportunities for everyone. I am worthy of wealth and impact. Ready to try this? Here's your cheat sheet. 1. Identify the belief. I'm terrible with money. 2. Trace its origin. My parents always struggled, so I assumed I would too. 3. Challenge it. Is this really true or just a story I've repeated? 4. Rewrite it. I am building new skills to master my finances. Pause this video. Write down one belief you're ready to reframe. I'll wait. Of course it feels awkward at first. Your brain hates change, but repetition is magic. The first time you say, "I am wealthy," your mind might laugh. Say it 100 times. It starts listening. Your beliefs built your current life. New beliefs will build your future. So ask yourself, what story do you want to live? Hit comment and share your reframe. I'll cheer you on. And if this helped, share it with someone who needs to hear it.